You're welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, I'll be talking about a particular project called ChainPhon. So after several weeks, or let me say months, of not being active with this particular project, and that is major reason you see that I'm having $13,340. But let's just still leave that aside. We are close to 18,000 watch hour. Please kindly like, click on the button notification so you can upload any other new video. I want to join my WhatsApp community. It is free of charge. I'll be dropping the link in the description and also in the comment section of this particular video. And if you want to join this particular project called ChainPhon, I'll be dropping my referral link in the description of this particular video. So after several weeks or months of not being active because this particular project have actually gone silent, not saying anything. And in 2026 was one of the particular project which airdrop, which I said I'll be deleting the app. But this tiniest moment when I was about deleting it, I saw a particular update which I would like to share with you. So I don't actually know, but look at it with this particular shameful airdrop. Now look, they say pre-migration phase end on 14th of February 2026. Log in every day for future KYC requirements. So if I'm one of those people that actually invited you to a project, so one of the criteria for KYC requirement is for you to always be active. So on a daily basis now, I may always make sure that I always log in to this particular. So there's not much you just need to do. Just log in. You see that your dollar balance here we actually increase, and you just log out. There's nothing for you to tap or any important thing for you to do. So I'm still watching them thinking that something big will actually happen to them. And one of the major reasons I don't always come to the lab is that their heart is just too much. Anything you tap on now will always be withdrawal. They have actually updated their app. So if you see that yours is not actually going, just try as much as possible to update your app, and you see that everything will be in place. So if I tap on this withdraw, you see this is another ad. You could see, you say wait migration check on 14. You could see. So it was last year October 1st that they actually said they'll be getting list, but I don't know, ever since that October 1st 2025 that they failed their listing, they have actually gone silent. Just this year January now that they are coming into the picture telling us that they are not actually there, but I don't actually know the price that well token will be listed. So if you come to this their phone pay, which is one of the user case that they say will actually be using their token to pay and buy anything online, which is quite good, and I love. You see this is another has again. If I tap on it, you see it says coming soon. And if I tap on this particular one now, let me try as much as to scroll up. You could see they have some certain tokens that they have actually built on this particular app blockchain. This is a token called phone. You could see the likes of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Theta, Ruby, Pi. These are just testnet token. These are not the actual price. So all these tokens that you are seeing are not actually real. And also, I think the money too is not actually real because some people saw this regular money in my community and see actually be doing a giveaway. All these things you are seeing actually testnet. Yes, they actually testnet. They are not actually real. So let's say until the KYC phase is being done, and when we go to mainnet before we'll be able to know what our token will worth. So let me quickly share an update they actually shared on January 3 on their Telegram. So they say migration phase version is officially live. They say after months of development, our team has completed the redesign focused on delivering the safest and most secure migration architecture. The new version is now live and available on testnet. During this phase, all required snapshot will be taken in preparation for the main net launch, which will take place on the main net. I think is now February 14, like what they actually say. I'm just actually guessing that is February 14 is when this particular mainnet. So we strongly encourage users to log in daily to the testnet application at testnet this during this period to avoid being flagged. But that means you are not logging in every day. You'll be flagged as bot or farming account. So miners who have been supporting the project since the beginning have already been snapshotted. You see, without we knowing, they have said they have already snapshot active miners and will receive highly exclusive reward in recognition of their early participation. If you mind during the testnet phase, drop your this was on their X account. So let's keep on doing it. I'll be dropping my referral link in this one if you still want to join and you believe that something good will still come out from this particular project. So this is what I have for you about this particular project called ChainPhon. If you want to helpful, click on the like, share, click on the bell notification so you get notified anytime we upload another video like this. Thank you and bye bye for now.